Very, very slippery here. Oh shit! So I've been walking and driving around trying to find this waterfalls. And I think we're finally here, but I'm not sure it's much of a waterfalls. I'll show you. This is our adventure for the day. We think if we walk this way, there's a better part at the end, but we've never been here, so we're not sure. So guys, we found it. This is where we was a minute ago, up there. And now look. Very, very slippery here. I know what I'm going to land on. No. I'm trying. Oh shit. Oh my god. That is fun though. And I want to see what's at the end. Oh yeah, guys, I guess I just go in here, right? I'm just going to go in here. See what it's like. I'm in. It's scary when you've never been in the water before and you're not quite sure what's underneath you. Loads of little pools like this that you can just take a dip. Oh, this bit looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll video myself for a minute just in case I slip, and that'll be funny. Not sure how Ring got round there. Guys, this bit looks pretty amazing.
Because just slide there. Careful
yeah,
there.
check this out. What the hell?
Like this. Huh? Look at that.
And then spin it round. And try and get a better shot of this pool for you guys. If I can get in the right position. Oh gosh, I bet you can slide down there. Guys, so this place isn't like open to the public or like for tourists, because I think it's meant to be kept for locals and stuff. And it's pretty dangerous with how slippery it is here. So maybe one day they'll open it up for tourists.